Hey everyone, I'm back with a new video on how to build your own Tiny11 Windows ISO. I did cover similar topic which I will link in the description using W10UI WinToolkit and Ntdevlabs. A word of caution, this is a extremely customized ISO which strips the ability to add or repair removed features. The scripts needs PowerShell to be installed with permission to execute local scripts. As always, I'll add links in the description. Let's get started. Once you unpack the zip file, you will find three files, namely unattended, ISO maker and the PowerShell script. You need to open elevated PowerShell and run the script. You can download the ISO from Microsoft website from the links in the description. Mount the ISO once the download is completed. Take note of the drive letter of the mounted ISO which will come in handy in next step. Run the script and type the volume letter without colon, which will copy all the files to your main OS drive, so make sure you have 20 GB of free space. Once all files are copied, prompt asking you to choose the edition. Please note you can only use a single edition and multiple editions are not supported. I will speed up the video, the process will take 7 minutes to complete. The ISO size is very big at 5.5 GB. Let me use WinToolkit and reduce the image further. The final size is 5.3 GB. If you want to make it smaller, choose ESD conversion, which should make the entire ISO within 4.5 GB. Let us test both the ISOs Tiny11 and Tiny11 Remade Viaduct VirtualBox. I will speed up the video and spoiler alert, they work just fine. With this we have reached the end of the video. If you want additional customized ISO, watch my video linked along with my repo containing the scripts, registry tweaks, Ntdevlabs and WinToolkit profiles. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can support me via Patreon and Topmate. Thank you once again to all my subscribers and the community for your continued support.